Hey guys, this is Chad Lee again with MetalWorks for another customer cruising video. And today we've actually got Justin, who works at the shop. This is his brother's Nova, and they've done quite a bit of work to it and picked up a number of components here from the speed shop for it. So let's take a closer look. Justin, if you want to tell us about what you got here.
Alright, so we picked up a 1970 Nova. It's a L78 factory big block 396 car. Number matching rear end and transmission, but of course the original motor has disappeared throughout the years. So right now it's got a 67 coated 396 with the Holley Sniper Terminator fuel injection on it. Got Flowmaster exhaust, Detroit Speed rear suspension with Smithcraft race traction bars. The front's got the coilover conversion, Detroit Speed. The car handles really well now. Try to keep the stock appearance as possible, but update it so it drives nice. And we have inquired a 1970 dealer offered LS6. It was on the dyno and almost put out 600 horse, just a little under that. So that's why I got it here today, is to go over it and get ready to put the new motor in it here shortly.
Nice. Well, let's take a peek under the hood.
So back last winter, me and my brother took this car apart and front end off of it and dipped the frame, inner fenders, core support, and just kind of went through it and cleaned it up.
That looks great. Like I say, it has a pretty stock look to it overall. Very nice. So you said this has got the fuel injection on it?
Correct. That's the Holley Terminator series, and it's the Sniper, so it looks like the gold Holley double pumper carb.
Okay, very cool.
It's a lot of fun. It's a Muncie 4-speed car.
Very nice.